This is Indotherm P500 from HMS Medical Systems. This is the equipment itself, and in this video we'll be seeing on the installation process for P500 and also the working of the P500. So before getting into those things, we'll see what are the accessories which will come along with the P500 when you buy it. This is the arm that will be provided along with our shortwave P500. So you'll get one more of this arm. These are the accessories which will come along with the Indotherm P500. So you'll have two pads and two big size disc and two small size disc and a pair of cables. So these are the accessories which will come along with the Indotherm P500. First we have to fix the valve inside the shortwave. So initially it won't come with the valve, we have to fix it. Now we'll see the valve. This is the valve and this is the bottom part and this is the upper part of the valve. This bottom part will sit on the base over here in the machine, and the one of the sides will be a flattened one. So as you can see, this is the flattened side. The flattened side will actually sit on the left side of the base. So the other way you cannot place the valve on the base. The flattened side will sit on the left side of the base. So as you can see, we are placing the valve inside the equipment. And the valve sits on the base. So after placing the valve on the base, you have to tighten the screw present here. So as you can see, there's a screw present over here. You have to tighten up the screws, and then you'll have two wires at the top to insert it on the valve. So insert the two wires and tighten the screws present there also. You'll have two screws over here. Tighten the two screws and that's it. The valve is fixed right now. After placing the valve, make sure that you close the after fixing the valve, make sure that you close the back panel of the equipment and screw it up. So that's it. So now we'll fix the arm onto the equipment. So before fixing the arm, you need to loosen the knob over here and the knob over here. And after loosening the knob, expand the arm. So you have to expand it like this. So now this knob should be faced upwards while fixing it onto the equipment. So we'll be showing it to you now. So place it in the same manner. You'll have two holes over here. So place the holes, so match the holes in the arm to the holes on the shortwave. So match the holes in the arm to the holes on the shortwave. And now you have to put the screws and tighten it up. So make sure that this knob is facing upwards and the arm is like this. Now we'll see the working of the P500. We'll switch on the equipment first. And now this is the timer button. So this is the increment timer and this is the decrement timer button, and this is start stop button. So this is the timer section, and these three knobs have different functions. The one over here is the power knob. So with this knob you'll be increasing the power output, and this one is actually to vary the output between continuous and pulsed one. So the initial position is the continuous position where the output will be continuous, and after that you have different frequencies ranging from 50 to 500. So you can change the frequency from 50 to 500 in the pulse mode. And next is the tuning knob. So this is actually used to tune the output according to each and every patient's body. And you also have a tuning indicator knob over here. That's it regarding this P500. It's very easy to use, and these are the basic functions of the P500. Now we'll see how the output works. Now we'll set the timer, we'll start it, and now we'll be changing the power output. Now you can see that the bright light coming from the right side. So this actually means that the output is coming, and so the light is lit now. So now as the tuning is varied, the brightness of the light changes, and the tuning indicator will also indicate the power over there. So in the pulse mode, the light will be flickering. So as the name suggests, it's pulse mode and the frequency varies. So we are at 50 Hertz now. So the light will be blinking at 50 Hertz. So you can vary the frequency, and as you go higher in the frequency, the light will stop flickering and will light up continuously. Increasing the power will actually increase the brightness of the tube light. Now we'll see how to insert the cable and the pad. You have two output sockets over here. So the upper one is for the disc one, and the lower one is for the pads. So now we have inserted the pads, and insert the cable to the pad socket, and then you have the pads over here. So to test whether the pads are working properly or not, we have the tube light over here, and now we'll start the equipment, and if the pads work properly, then the tube light will glow properly and without any flickering. So now we'll see how to insert the disc on the arm. You have to lose the knob and insert the disc into the hole. So it's very simple, and likewise same to the other arm also. So the disc size varies according to the treatment area which you are going to give the treatment. So larger area, if the treatment area is a larger one, you can use larger disc. So if it's a smaller area like a shoulder or something else, you can use small discs provided with the equipment. So now as I said before, you have to insert the cables to the disc output sockets, and then insert the cable onto the discs. So insert the cables like this. So that's it. Now the output will be coming through these discs, and the working also is actually similar as we saw before. You also have different kinds of adjustments with the arm. So by loosening the knobs over here, you can change the directions of the arm in the P500. So it's actually very customizable and very easy to use arm with a lot of angle customizations. So this is the Indotherm P500 from HMS Medical System. I hope you understood the working of this P500, and if you're willing to buy this equipment, you can buy it from our dealer network widespread all over India, or else you can buy it from our online website. So link to the online website is given in the description below. Go check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.